Which way should we go? Why not?
Roll that intro.
I am Anonymous Biker USA.
Welcome back. First time at the channel. Anonymous Biker USA. Crack the bell, smash the thumb, blah blah blah. Thanks a lot. So where are we heading today? We're gonna try to see if we can't cover 3 states in one day. More like 6 hours. See if we can go in the old racetrack. Yeah, a lot of guys taking their boats out early this morning. Look at that boat, Nitro Z21. No, I'm not a rewards member. 93, $3.43 a gallon. Truck with another nice boat. Man, look at all this. It's like a boat convention this morning. Guy's got a Z71 with a bass boat. This group of bikers, it's a bunch of 1%ers if I ever saw them. Hold on, let me get closer. Kind of two-wheel Tour de France. Look at all these bikes. Look at all them bikers. Holy moly. Must have been 300 people. Coming into our first small town. You guys saw my Instagram post of the burger bus. That's the burger bus right there. As expected, the further north we get, more the leaves are starting to change, being that it is very early in October 2021. So what state am I riding in right now? That would be Georgia. So the plan here is to head up and catch North Carolina, Tennessee at the border with Georgia, see what's doing. Time permitting, and if it's not too far, maybe catch South Carolina. 56 miles northeast of Atlanta. Look at that house. Must be a YouTuber. If you guys want to see some really good footage and videos, go check out the military biker, the Rolling Barrage. 4-part series. Unbelievable views. Military biker should have way more subs than he does and way more views. He's got very good stuff, so go check him out, share him out, like him, all that good stuff. And now we got all this traffic. Look at this old hot rod coming. Easy peasy. Alright, so let's make the red light fun. As soon as it turns green, we'll we'll do the drag strip. 0 to 2,000 in 10 seconds. So this says here East Ellijay, E-L-L-I-J-A-Y, Georgia, Howard Simmons Road. Who's Howard Simmons? Leave it in the comments below. I don't know either. So we're about 30 miles south of Tennessee. Oh, look at this fog. It's getting progressively darker, so let's just take a spot check of the old radar. Let's see. It looks pretty good. I mean, we're heading all the way up here. I saw one like spotty shower, but I don't know. We'll see. So I had to pull over for a minute. The fog is, I couldn't even see there, so. And then the camera lens was soaked, and then the thing froze up. GoPro. This battery I got off Amazon. See that? It's cracked. Look at that. This is the Artman brand. Lasted a fairly long time, maybe 2 years. But oh well. So I just changed the battery for the 3rd time. I gotta get new batteries. I guess 2 years is their life. It's just not holding the charge. So, man, it's so foggy. Alright, well, I think we're like 15 miles from the state line, so let's try to fight it again. Unlike foggy country roads that you've never been on and you have no idea where they go. Part of the adventure. I don't know if we're in Tennessee, North Carolina, or Georgia. Yeah, look at these leaves changing. Where does this go? This feels like somebody's driveway. What the heck? Oh! Alright, so GPS took me to this road. You can see part of it was like dirt and gravel. So it's supposed to be North Carolina, Tennessee, and Georgia converge right up the road. I hear a rooster. Well, let's keep going and see where we wind up. Alright, well, either the GPS is completely squirrely, or it has some really off the beaten path road to take me on. Ugh. So let's see, actually here comes some traffic. It's a Jeep. Hopefully he doesn't like live here and he's stopping or something. We'll see. No, he's just waving. I say middle of nowhere. Wow. Am I glad I got gas? Something tells me this road is not going to be paved the whole way back. Where's the banjos? Are we gonna make it? Alright, so as expected, because we're in Timbuktu, this squirrely GPS, totally, there's no signal or anything out here, so I know we're close to the Tennessee line and close to North Carolina. Whoa, it's gravel. So let's see. You can see we are on South 68, Tennessee. We made it to Tennessee. So this is Copper Hill, Tennessee. That way to North Carolina.